All right, guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing great. So, I want to show you, I guess, in real time if this, I guess, hack works to get CapCut back. Because, guys, I'm tripping. I do everything on CapCut. So, if you guys see here, I have my phone right here and it's going to be up on the screen. But if it works on my actual phone, I will actually use it onto my actual computer, that there. And then I have a computer over here you can't see. So let's hop over up onto the phone and see if this actually works. Right. So what he actually says, I have on the iPhone. I'm gonna do it right from what he said. Right. So up here, you're gonna go to App Store. Cool. And you're gonna type in VP in here. Awesome. And you're gonna press search, and then from there you have your options here. What he actually uses in the actual video is this one right here. So we're gonna use this and we're gonna see what we got. Guys, I'm just off of work, right? And I'm like, I need CapCut in my life, right? So from here, you're gonna go to, okay, cool. Except if you want to jump into that and read all that, you can. I just want to see if it works. I'm sure I will hop into there and be like, okay, this is what this means. Super unlimited proxy would like to send you. For me, nope. Okay. Oh, so it's trial based, bro. He didn't say that in there. 7-day free trial. I guess let's just try that and see what happens. I'm going to go to continue because I'm not trying to pay that. Oh, my account. Yeah, information. I will do this only to see if it works. Let's use Apple Pay. Uh, 1 month plan, super proxy, 1 week free trial. So you guys, here is huge. If you're gonna do something like this, or if you're gonna use something that it's going to restart or start after a free trial, you guys make sure you have it written in your phone, written down somewhere to cancel it at least 2 days before. I say two because in some cases you're like, oh, I forgot, and then it's the actual day of, right? And then you're like, oh, I just had it go to my account, and then you got charged in this case 11.99 per month. Nope, guys, I hope this works, and then I can put it onto that computer and do small things on that, and hopefully I don't get like hacked or something weird, right? Okay, cool. We're gonna do that for 1 month. Double click to subscribe. Awesome. Let's see what he actually says on there. You're all set. Your purchase was successful. Awesome. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Ads keep us free. Cool. Allow no, I'm not doing that. Cool. So the auto fastest. Okay, we're gonna press that. We'd like to add, I'll just say allow. Put my code in there. Cool. You are connected. Okay, so that's my IP, I guess. Sheesh. I'm not gonna have that over there. All right. So we are on their fastest location. So on his actual video here, he says to do it to Canada. Let's see if it works with my location still being in the US. Right? So we're gonna it's connected there. CapCut. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Nope. It's not going to work right there, which is interesting. All right, let me just close out of that. So now let's swap this out. He said to Canada, which is nuts. All right, let's go to Canada. Let's do exactly what he said. Canada, the 89. I do wonder if it's going to Canada, the 89. Um, I don't see it. So we are going to go to the first one. Canada 215. Okay, now we are in Canada, which is very interesting. So let's go over to CapCut. Let me bring that up. Let's see what we got. Log in. Okay, let me log in real quick. And I have a paid sign in successful, and I am on the pro version. Bro, this is crazy. It works. So let's say we're on here. Guys, it works, guys. I'm tripping. So now let's hop over to the computer and we are going to see if this works on the computer. I do wonder how I have to get my information from the VPN. I'm going to have to install that exact same one onto the computer. So let's jump over to that real quick and go from there. All right, so here I am on the laptop. So let's see here. I am on a PC, right? So I just went up on the top and I typed in VPN super proxy, right? Cool. I did that, and let's kind of go over here. So, all right. So you guys, all in all, this option right here, the VPN super proxy does not work on your actual computer. And if you guys look, you guys, I'm tripping. I was sitting here for a minute and I was seeing if it would actually work. It's not going to work. I went onto my computer and seeing if it was there. You will hop into the actual store right here and you are going to use this option if you have a PC. So let's jump right back into the video. Let's do it to Microsoft Store, right? So let's come over here and let's go to VPN. So for some reason, it did not work on Google. So that's interesting. Let's go to VPN Super, Unlimited Proxy. Let's see if it shows up in Microsoft. And I just want to look for the key because practically I already paid for it. And bro, I don't even see it on here. That is crazy. So I guess let's do one here and let's see what works. So let's kind of, I guess, look up the best one of the VPN proxy. Let's do this one. Cool. Let's go to Git. Okay, cool. Best proxy. Okay, let's do launch. Awesome. And let's do the exact same options. Cool. Thank you for installing our product. So if it, I guess, if it does not work, then it'll get uninstalled. Rate later. Let's do the free offer right now. Let's go to decline. I believe it's installed. Let's actually launch CapCut. What do we got here? Search engine default location. So let's actually go to Canada, right? Europe or the US. Let's go to Europe. Oh, sheesh. Let's see what we got here. So let's come over here and launch CapCut and see what we got. Is there a way I can actually, oh, it's working. No way. So it works over here. I wonder if it works on my big computer over here. All right. So here's the actual computer here. That is so weird right now. Close CapCut on this one. Here I am on the main computer here. So let's go to the Microsoft Store. There it is. And again, if you have the Apple or some sort, I don't know. I'm pretty sure there's something out there. VPN proxy. I'm just going to type in VPN and let's see what we got here. If it's this one right here, it's got the shield with a check mark. Perfect. All right. So I'm going to go to install. This ought to be interesting right here. Best, and just got installed. Launch. Cool. And you already seen, I tried. All right. Thank you for installing our product. Come over here. Let's go to rate later. Let me make this huge. Cool. Let's go to decline right now. So it is installed. It said installed. So I guess let's try and open CapCut, and then we're just gonna go in and see what is up. There it is. All right. Let me bring this over from the second screen. No way. Guys, this is on PC. Hold on. This is crazy because I have so much stuff I need to do. This is crazy. So it's about like a half an hour long. I don't really want that long. So let's just do it this way. And if you guys weren't aware, if you guys use StreamYard, guys, it's no joke. And you guys, this is per week. So yeah, so, okay, this is kind of what it looks like. Let me get out of that real quick. Cool. Let's do export. And again, guys, I do have the Pro, right? And again, I don't have to put where I am on this certain VPN for some reason, right? So fast and so all you have to do is kind of have this. Okay, cool. Let's get it out of it. So if you guys look right here, you guys, like, I'm not sure if this like is a safe, VPN proxy. I don't have a lot of experience with them, but for right now, because you can't do this if you don't have a proxy, or I mean a VPN, then it won't actually work. But let's actually, I guess let's go out of it real quick. Let's see if it actually uploaded all my stuff. Downloads recent. It's this one right here. That is crazy. And make sure, I want to see if you can actually upload it to YouTube. Like if it's, I don't know, there's something wrong with it, right? As in the actual, the file itself. For some, I don't know, some odd reason. Let me pull this. Cool. And let's go to create, upload. Let's see what we got. Right. Let's go to downloads. This one right here. And, let's just see what we got. Let's go to next. It should upload pretty quick because it's a short video. It went through. I hope this is going to help. Yeah, whoever out there, like, subscribe, and I have a lot of stuff on here. So if you want to learn, all this kind of stuff, if you want to use a certain phone, which I'm using right now, or certain mics, but yeah, have a great rest of your day.